Hey YouTube, so here's my most recently assembled red laser. This is a very dangerous high-powered red laser. And before I show you how it works, let me show you how I constructed the device here. As the power source, I'm using a computer power supply rated for 300 watts of power. And here I've modified the wiring of the computer power supply to the driver. For turning on the fan, I'm just using this AC to DC adapter rated for 12 volts at 1 amp. As for the driver, I'm using the LM317T semiconductor, and I've added a heatsink here with a 39k ohm resistor. As for the laser module, I'm using this smaller heatsink, which is strapped to this massive heatsink here for maximum dissipation. And I've got a 12 volt fan on the back for cooling. As for the laser module aperture, it's not pretty, but it works. I'm reusing a 660 nanometer red DVD laser diode bonded here to this heatsink using silicone and this strip of aerogel insulation across the laser diode there. Laser diode is also known as the LNCT open can laser diode, and is very capable of ignition of certain materials at the focal point of the beam. Due to the short distance of the laser output emission, we can consider this a high power density laser. Here I have the laser device activated. As you can see, it's very bright and the emission state is extremely dangerous. Let's pull out some materials and see what the laser can do. Here's a match. Here I've turned off the fan for more of a visual effect. Plumber's tape. Vinyl tape. Hard black plastic. Laser cutting. Wood burning. Popping a black balloon. And that pretty much sums up the video here. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more laser videos.